This beautifully restored 1920s Craftsman home in the highly sought-after Wagener Terrace neighborhood has an undeniable presence and an amazing curb appeal. You notice it immediately as you approach the front door and large covered front porch, which is perfect for morning coffee and sunrises due to its eastern exposure. Once inside, you'll be dazzled by the refinished original hardwood floors. The large open floor plan will make entertaining a joy. Once you enter the gourmet kitchen, it's as if 1920 meets 2020, as the space, storage, appliances, and finishes are simply spectacular. Kitchen highlights include white quartz and black leathered granite countertops, kitchen stool seating for 7, LED recessed lighting, and high-end stainless steel KitchenAid appliances, including a 5-burner gas cooktop with a downdraft vent. There is also a large butler's pantry with ample storage and a cozy breakfast nook for casual meals. The downstairs also features a large dining area, separate living room, which is perfect for family movie night, and a second large room with a fireplace and antique mantel that could be used as a reading room, formal living room, or home office. In addition, the main level has 2 bedrooms and 2 fully renovated bathrooms. 1 bedroom and bath is en suite and has its own exterior entrance, making it perfect for family, guests, or a possible short-term rental option. Even the original staircase to the second floor is a thing of beauty. Once upstairs, you'll find another large bedroom with exposed brick, a renovated bathroom with tub, a laundry room, and a large, inviting master suite with great light, 2 large closets, and ample space for a king-size bed. The ensuite bathroom is to die for and includes a very large walk-in shower with dual shower heads, double sinks, and granite counters. Run all 4 showers at once. The home has a new tankless gas water heater from Rinnai. The yard is nearly completely fenced and has a tabby walkway and driveway big enough for at least 4 cars. There's also a large detached garage with space for 1 vehicle and still plenty of room for storage or a workspace. The full renovation includes all new wiring, plumbing, HVAC, tankless gas water heater, and roofing. If you appreciate timeless architecture coupled with modern updates and impeccable finishes, you will love this home.